EXP4 review. The Brooder EXP4, this off-road camper trailer, is a game changer in its category. The Brooder EXP4 is both robust and compact, engineered to handle the toughest terrains. It strikes a perfect balance between comfort and convenience for all your adventures. One of its standout features is the innovative patented suspension system. This system levels the trailer on uneven surfaces and tackles steep inclines with ease. It ensures a smooth ride, even in the harshest conditions. Built to endure extreme environments, the EXP4 can withstand up to 10 times its own weight in extreme temperatures, showcasing incredible durability. Inside, the EXP4 offers a spacious and customizable interior. You can even add a rooftop tent for extra sleeping space. The trailer is equipped with a 200-liter water tank, 400-watt solar panels, a 200-amp-hour lithium battery, and a fully functional kitchen. This setup makes off-grid living comfortable and convenient. With a starting price of $35,000, the Brooder EXP4 combines performance, luxury, and value. It's an exceptional choice for off-road enthusiasts and global explorers alike. Dragon V1 Tent. The Dragon V1 Tent, the ultimate solution for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable power while camping. Imagine never having to worry about running out of electricity during your camping trip. The Dragon V1 tent uses solar power to keep you illuminated and connected. Here's how it works. Solar panels embedded in the tent collect sunlight during the day. This sunlight is then used to charge devices and power LED lights. The tent's battery takes just 8 to 10 hours to fully charge, making it completely self-sufficient. Durability is key with the Dragon V1 tent. It's designed to withstand tough weather conditions, ensuring you stay comfortable no matter what nature throws at you. Setting up the tent is quick and easy, just 5 minutes to get everything ready. Once it's up, it stays sturdy and reliable, so you don't have to worry about it falling apart. For $600, the Dragon V1 tent addresses the common problem of power shortages outdoors. It's not just about having electricity, it's about combining ease of setup with robust performance. Camp Portable Kitchen. Welcome to our review of the Camp Portable Kitchen. This device is designed to turn any vehicle into a mobile kitchen. The Camp Portable Kitchen is a game changer for anyone who loves cooking on the go. It attaches seamlessly to your vehicle hitch, creating a fully equipped cooking space wherever your adventures take you. Its compact design and versatile features make it perfect for campers, road trippers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want the convenience of home-cooked meals while on the move. This innovative kitchen unit comes with essential amenities: a sink, a stove, and a refrigerator. With these features, you can prepare delicious meals no matter where you are. Whether you're enjoying a camping trip or setting off on a cross-country road adventure, the Camp Portable Kitchen makes cooking easy and enjoyable. The Camp Portable Kitchen is the ideal solution for anyone who wants to bring the comfort of a home kitchen to their outdoor travels. Airstream Nest Review. Welcome to our review of the Airstream Nest. This compact powerhouse combines sleek design with practical features. Don't let its size fool you. The Airstream Nest is built with a durable fiberglass body. It's not only aerodynamic but also incredibly stylish. Whether you prefer a fixed bed or a U-shaped dinette that converts into a cozy sleeping area, the Nest has options for you. Inside, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen and an onboard bathroom. Smart storage solutions ensure you have plenty of space for all your essentials. One of the standout features of the Nest is its large windows. They let in plenty of natural light, highlighting the beautiful wood interior. Lazzarini Pyramid. The Lazzarini Pyramid, designed by Pier Paolo Lazzarini, combines elements from Mayan and Japanese temples. This modular pyramid floats on water and aims to create a self-sustaining floating city. It has 10 stories, rising 30 meters above sea level, and rests on a 3,000 square meter floating base. The pyramid features solar panels, water turbines, and desalination systems integrated into its fiberglass, carbon, and steel structure. It's designed to be environmentally friendly. A preliminary estimate for the first floating hotel suite is around £36,900, or approximately $22,600. Guests can reserve a night for about $1,200 through a crowdfunding campaign. This design merges modern technology with ancient architectural influences. PKNK Picnic Table. Today, we're reviewing the PKNK Picnic Table, a standout innovation designed specifically for car camping. The PKNK Picnic Table isn't meant for hiking. It's perfect for those who enjoy car camping. It fits easily into your car trunk and can be wheeled to your tent once you reach your destination. This table isn't just for picnics. It transforms into a portable workstation, complete with a built-in light. This feature lets you relax, cook, and even work on your laptop if needed. The PKNK picnic table can support up to 40 kilograms and features a tabletop that measures 39 by 62 centimeters. It also includes a storage compartment with a capacity of 30 liters. For its price of $359, this table offers excellent value. It's a practical choice for anyone looking to enhance their car camping experience. The PKNK picnic table combines functionality and convenience, making it a great addition to your car camping gear. Welcome to the world of futuristic camping with the TENTSXPERT solar-powered tent. At first glance, it might not look like your typical tent. Meet the Power Dome, a solar-powered glamping tent designed to offer both eco-friendly and luxurious living conditions. Its 6-meter diameter and sleek design make it stand out. The Power Dome features a photovoltaic glass roof. This isn't just for show, it's packed with 62 solar panels. Each panel delivers up to 160 watts, creating a sustainable source of power. Ideal for 2 people, the Power Dome isn't just about looks. It includes advanced features such as smart home integration and wastewater treatment. Its durable, weather-resistant frame ensures it stands up to the elements. TentsXpert offers more than just the Power Dome. The glass igloos are particularly noteworthy. They come in sizes ranging from 28 to 78 square meters. These igloos offer unobstructed views and ample natural light. They can accommodate between 2 and 6 guests and come in either classic or high-tech smart versions. This creates a spacious living area complete with a bedroom and a customizable bathroom. Pricing for these luxury tents ranges from $14,000 to $21,000. There are different types available, from economy to ultra-luxury. Setting up the tents typically takes 2 to 4 days for experience. Truck Surf Hotel. Welcome to the Truck Surf Hotel, where surfing meets luxury on wheels. Priced at $490,000, this innovative mobile hotel offers a unique way to experience some of the world's best surf spots. Imagine combining the excitement of surfing with the comfort of a high-end hotel. That's what the Truck Surf Hotel does. Built on a spacious truck, it's designed to travel to prime surf locations in Portugal and Morocco. Each room is designed to ensure you're comfortable and relaxed after a day on the waves. The hotel also includes a fully equipped kitchen, so you can prepare your own meals while on the go. For unwinding, there's a spacious lounge area. It's perfect for kicking back and enjoying the company of fellow surfers or just relaxing after a long day. And don't miss the rooftop terrace. This is the ideal spot to take in stunning views and soak up the sun, all while being close to the best waves. Whether you're a seasoned surfer looking for your next big adventure or someone who wants to experience the thrill of life on the road, the Truck Surf Hotel offers a perfect blend of excitement and comfort. In summary, the Truck Surf Hotel is more than just a place to stay. It's an adventure on wheels. With its luxurious amenities and ability to move to top surfing destinations, it promises an unforgettable experience for all who board. Ultimate Rooftop Camping Tent. Welcome to our review of the Ultimate Rooftop Camping Tent. Let's explore what makes this tent stand out. First off, setting up this tent is a breeze. With just a single touch, you're ready to go. The tent is built with strong aircraft-grade aluminum, ensuring durability. It features stainless steel air pressure levers, adding to its robust design. The polyester fabric provides both comfort and waterproof protection. Inside, you'll find a marine pad that helps reduce humidity and a mattress for extra comfort. The tent also possesses, as well as organizer bags and LED strip lights to keep everything in order. This tent is designed to handle all types of weather. It's waterproof, sunproof, windproof, and snowproof, making it ideal for any outdoor conditions. Apocalypse 6x6 Overlander Hellfire. Welcome to our deep dive into the Apocalypse 6x6 Overlander Hellfire, a beast of a vehicle designed for adventure and customization. Apocalypse is famous for its wild, custom vehicles, often sporting names like Hellfire and Sinister 6. But their latest creation, the Overlander 6x6, takes customization to a whole new level. Originally, the Overlander 6x6 started as a Jeep Gladiator. However, Apocalypse transformed it into a 6-wheel camping machine, perfect for those who crave the great outdoors. This rugged vehicle comes loaded with features to enhance your camping experience. It includes a shower for freshening up, a sturdy canopy for shelter, a generator to keep your gear powered, and even a TV for entertainment under the stars. The Overlander 6x6 also boasts a striking camouflage paint job, blending seamlessly with nature. Under the hood, it's powered by a Hemi Hellcat engine, delivering an impressive 500 to 850 horsepower, depending on the setup. Bond Stove Smokeless Fire Pit. Welcome to our review of the Bond Stove Smokeless Fire Pit. This innovative fire pit is one of the first travel-friendly options on the market. The Bond stove is designed for both portability and style. It comes with a sturdy nylon bag and omnidirectional wheels, making it easy to take anywhere. Setting up the Bond stove is a breeze. It includes an eco-friendly fire ring igniter. Simply add some wood, and you're ready to enjoy a fire. This fire pit features a built-in temperature gauge and a flip-top cooking stove. You can switch from an outdoor heater to a wood-burning stove in less than 30 seconds. So, how does it stay smokeless? The secret lies in its design. The stove burns off the smoke before it has a chance to escape.